Despite only launching internationally in 2017, TikTok, together with its Chinese market counterpart Douyin, was the 7th most downloaded app of the 2010s. For entrepreneurs and marketers, that's a lot of marketing potential. If you're looking to leverage TikTok's massive user base and building your audience, here's a look at the strategies of the social media platform's top creators and marketers. Deciding how to monetize TikTok users becomes easier once you've gained a deeper understanding of your target audience. There's no single approach to monetization, but the highest earners usually maintain a number of complementary income streams. From sponsored content to organic marketing, the opportunities with TikTok are virtually endless. Let's go over some of the most common ways users make money on TikTok, but first, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar content. Let's dive in. 1. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. Users who have built up a substantial following might consider making money through the TikTok Creator Fund. Revenue from the Creator Fund can vary from user to user and is calculated based on factors like the size of your audience, the quality of your user engagement, and the frequency of your posts. The Creator Fund is a great idea if you've already established a following, but can be very exclusive, and steady payment is not always guaranteed. If you're just starting out, there are a lot of other good ways to monetize your account, and even if you've joined the Creator Fund, it's still a good idea to have additional streams of revenue. 2. Sell merch to your fans. Selling your own products on TikTok is great for monetizing nearly any type of content. Any creator, whether they're a dancer, singer, or comedian, can make and sell merch to their most loyal fans. And with a wide variety of print-on-demand companies, there's a ton of merchandise to choose from. You might sell t-shirts, tote bags, pillowcases, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, notebooks, or any combination of products. Selling print-on-demand products even has benefits beyond revenue. Owning branded merch gives your fans a more personal connection to your work and every follower that wears your clothing items. 3. Go live and collect virtual gifts. Live gifting is one of TikTok's most useful features for creators looking to monetize their content through live streaming. Most social networks have a live streaming feature, but what makes TikTok unique is that it allows followers to share their appreciation in real time by sending virtual gifts, which can be redeemed for payment. Here are a few tips to help get the most out of your TikTok when going live. Pick the right time. You want to go live when most of your followers are online. Check your audience insights by going to your profile settings and selecting the Analytics tab to see where your audience is most active. Stay live longer. Not every user will stick around for the full duration of your live stream, but staying live longer will give more users the chance to log on and catch a glimpse of your broadcast. Post during your live stream. When you post a short video while live, TikTok prompts users who see the video in their stream with a link to your live broadcast, helping to grow your live audience. Use TikTok hashtags. As with other social media networks, users frequently browse hashtag pages looking for new accounts to follow. Use TikTok's hashtags to increase the reach of your videos. Test your internet connection and other equipment. Don't overlook the technical aspects of going live. Make sure your internet connection, lighting, and sound equipment are capable of being used for prolonged periods of time. Stay safe. Remember that TikTok gives you the ability to filter comments, mute users, and block viewers. Don't be afraid to use these features with users who aren't contributing to the conversation in good faith. No one should have to put up with bullying or harassment. Engaging with users in real time is great for building valuable relationships with your fans. Audiences that have a strong connection to a creator tend to develop a personal stake in their success, which means going live can help to boost other monetization streams as well. 4. Partner with influencers or other brands in the TikTok Creator Marketplace. One of the most innovative ways TikTok allows its creators to make money is through using its Creator Marketplace. The Creator Marketplace helps connect the right brands to the right influencers, facilitating partnerships in a way that's easy and fast for both parties. TikTok makes it incredibly easy to create valued sponsored content. Brands looking to run an influencer campaign are able to browse the marketplace and quickly shuffle through content made by creators that can be sure are open to partnering with brands. The Creator Marketplace acts as an influencer agency, letting both sides indicate their willingness to work with one another, relieving some of the awkwardness of approaching influencers that marketers might experience with influencer marketing on other platforms. 5. Create in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok has a ton of great organic marketing opportunities, but if you're willing to spend a little to expand the reach of your content, you might consider creating your own in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok ads appear in users' For You feeds and autoplay like any other TikTok video. With paid ads, you can make sure your videos are reaching audiences that are most interested in your products. But the best part? TikTok's Ad Manager seamlessly integrates with Shopify. That means you can create TikTok ads, select a target audience, and track your ads' performance, all from your Shopify store. TikTok can really be one of the best online marketing tools at your disposal. 6. Crowdfund projects by collecting donations from fans. Crowdfunding is one of the most accessible avenues for creators looking to make real money. You put a lot of time and effort into creating content for your fans, so offering an easy, no-pressure way for them to give back is great for securing a regular stream of income. Crowdfunding can take many forms, depending on what type of funding you're looking for. If you're looking for startup funds for a specific project, you could rally your followers by setting up a funding goal and hosting live fundraising events. 7. Collect tips from your audience. If you don't have a specific project in mind or aren't ready to offer equity to investors, crowdfunding platforms might not be the ideal avenue to take. For a fast and easy way to accept donations, consider using a tipping platform. Tipping platforms are a more personal finance option. They work just like a real-life tip jar. The option is available to fans but not mandatory, and they can donate any amount they like at any time they want. TikTok does not directly pay creators to produce and upload videos. TikTok does offer funding for creators in the form of the TikTok Creators Fund, but payment varies based on factors like the number of video views, the level of engagement, and the authenticity of users engaging with the post. There are some cases where brands might pay a popular influencer to create videos, but TikTok's highest paid users usually monetize their accounts through multiple income streams. Multiple income streams provide great security, but when deciding how you'll make real money on TikTok, the biggest factor is your audience.